Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I want to show you how to use CapCut Auto Reframe. So once you have a video here, you just import, upload a video, and you have your video and you're in the timeline here. You want to click on the video, and then you want to scroll down until you find Auto Reframe, right? And then you're gonna hit you're gonna tap on it and hit auto reframe, and then you can change the aspect ratio. So like if you want it 9:16, so now the best part of the actual video is going to be 9:16. You know what I'm saying? And then you can hit apply, right? So it's going to start processing, the whole dilemma here, right? Or you can change the aspect ratio to 16:9 or 14 or 4:3, right? And you're going to see it in live time where it moves it and it auto frames it, right? So now let's say you just wanted to do, let's say you wanted to, do they do custom? They got the one-on-one, you know what I'm saying? And then you hit apply, and then it auto reframes. Cool, right? And then it's processing that right now. So that's how you auto reframe into TikTok. So you just and it stays in that area, no matter what the full ratio is. Because like if you go to the bottom here, you have it 9:16. Well, now it's going to auto reframe as 9:16. You know what I'm saying? So then you hit apply, and there it goes. Super dope. All right, let's get it. Let's go. I see you on the next. Wait, I forgot to show it on mobile. Hold on one second. All right, we are in mobile. So we got a video uploaded yet again, and you're gonna tap on it, and then once you do that, you're gonna go on the bottom and you're gonna scroll all the way until you see auto frame. Once you hit auto frame, it's going to do the same thing like like the desktop app did. It's going to either do it in a 9:16 way, 16:9 way, to where it's going to change on its own, and then you hit apply, and then of course it stays like that. But then you can change it also in that same form. You know what I'm saying? Go to auto frame again. It'll go 4:3. I don't know why I keep saying that. 4:3, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's how you auto reframe in CapCut. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.